Hello everyone, we're standing here today at the World Electrolysis Congress organized by World Hydrogen Leaders. My name is Johan Wiebe from Hydrogen Standard, and with me here today stands Charles Cooke from the Technology Partnerships, or TTP. Do I say that correct, Charles?
Yep, that's absolutely correct. Hello.
Fantastic, thank you for being here. So tell us a little bit about TTP, what it does and what your role in the business is.
Okay, so TTP is a technology and systems development company, and we work for client companies to bring technologies to market and to fruition. And we're about 250 engineers and scientists, very multidisciplinary, working on a campus in Cambridge with loads of facilities. So we're all set up to develop technologies fast and take them right the way through from sort of a first idea through to being ready to manufacture and mass produce, including getting them tested and qualified. And and that's what we do. We're based in Cambridge and we work for companies around the world.
Excellent, thank you for that introduction. You did a presentation today, predicting future technology trends. Everybody wants to know how the future looks like, Charles, so tell us a little bit about that, please.
Yeah, well, I did start off with a caveat saying that predicting the future is very, very difficult, of course. And I had 20 minutes as well. But it's focusing on the sort of technology themes. And the four themes I looked at were, is technology converging or is it diversifying as we progress? Are we sort of going towards a kind of a sort of single solution, or is it lots of different things that are all taking flight? And my opinion is it's the latter. So the energy transition has many phases. Opportunities open up and then they close again, and there are all sorts of things that you can do to the design of a system to make it better for one set of circumstances as opposed to another. So I think there's a big case for sort of diversification. That was one thing. Another thing I talked about was a few sort of hot topics that we see a lot of inquiries about and that we're very active in. So one of those is to do with slowing down degradation and making things last longer. Another one is power electronics, which is the glue that sticks all of these power-to-X systems together, because they're all ultimately powered by electricity. And then another topic was about sort of places, the effect on places. The energy transition means that different areas of the world will take on different significances, and Morocco in particular is one place where there's a lot happening with OCP's investment in green ammonia, and we're involved in that in the sense that we're partnering with Innovex to build a new technology development venture there so that we can develop utility scale solutions in the geography where they're going to be used using local talent. So those are the main themes. Yeah.
Okay, that's a vast landscape sort of to cover. Obviously not an easy job to look into the future and cover the whole sort of energy transition space, but let's zoom in a little bit onto hydrogen and sort of the hydrogen industry, its place in sort of the energy transition, and particularly sort of your role or sort of your business, what TTP can do for the hydrogen industry, and what sort of services you can provide there.
Okay, so we're currently very involved in the hydrogen space. And I guess sort of classifying the projects we're doing into types, we work for startup companies who have good funding and strong IP and need some support to turn those two ingredients into a solution that's deployed. That's sort of one type of project. We work for more established companies who've got particular challenges, or maybe they're pivoting into this space and they need support in terms of a new product portfolio. And then we also sort of draw on our domain expertise and our deep engineering and science skills to be the kind of owner's engineer to offer sort of insights and decision support when it comes to people who are developing infrastructure and they're making big decisions about technology and how to employ it and which things to select and how to integrate them, so we can develop techno-economic models to support that kind of work.
Okay, that's quite diversified in terms of the solutions that you offer as well. In your own words, what does what has set you apart, sort of from your competition? What are some of the benefits of working with you guys as opposed to maybe other providers out there?
Okay, I think the benefits of working with us are you've basically got a ready-made team with facilities that they know. So it's to do with speed. A lot of it's to do with speed of execution. We can pull together a team really quickly and get results very fast. And you can draw on the experience. You don't need to go out and recruit people that are hard to find because we're sort of there already. So I think it's that speed of execution and the multidisciplinary aspects of the team. The fact that whatever the challenge is, I've been at TTP for 20 plus years, and whatever the technical challenge is, you never get stuck for more than 5 minutes because there are literally hundreds of experts across all the STEM domains in the same building that you can go and ask. So it comes down to speed and that multidisciplinary aspect, I think.
If we talk a little bit sort of finally on the sort of the aspirations of the overarching company and what they are in 2024, can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, so we're sort of growing rapidly in this space, which I think is important because there's a big global challenge to sort of make the energy transition happen. And in hydrogen, the ultimate problem that we're trying to solve is reducing the levelized cost so that it becomes cost competitive with fossil fuels. And there are so many different fronts that you can attack that on. So we can sort of develop new materials. We can change the design of devices to optimize them for the actual conditions that they're operating in. We can work on the power electronics to match the generation of renewable energy to the consumption of it at the lowest possible cost, make things last longer, instrument things better, use data more effectively to have early interventions when things go wrong or need replacing. So it's a really rich area, but we're always working to reduce the levelized cost and to help our clients achieve that, whether they're making materials or equipment or whether they're developing new infrastructure.
Well, that's an excellent focus to be on to make the industry, particularly the green hydrogen industry, competitive, so to speak, going forward. Charles Cooke from TTP, thank you very much.